Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are making Kung Pao Chicken. Cut about 400 grams of boneless chicken into small pieces. Add half a teaspoon of white vinegar. One teaspoon of soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of black or white pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of corn flour and mix thoroughly. Place it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Take a bowl and add half a cup of water to it. Add 2 teaspoons of black vinegar. I used white, not realizing that I ran out of black vinegar. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Half a tablespoon of salt. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 to 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of corn flour and mix well. The sauce for the Kung Pao chicken is ready. Dry red chili is the key ingredient of this recipe, so don't skimp on the chilies. Cut the chilies into pieces and separate the seeds. It will reduce the spiciness. Here we used 5 red chilies. Take a kadai and heat it up properly. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Turn the heat lower and add marinated chicken. Fry and stir until chicken turns slightly brown, about 4 to 5 minutes. Dish it out on a plate, but don't turn off the heat. In the same kadai, add about 10 to 15 finely chopped garlic cloves and the chilies. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes over medium heat. Now add the prepared sauce and sauté well. Cook till the sauce slightly thickens. Add the chicken and mix well. Now add chopped spring onions and mix it through. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. Finally, add roasted cashew nuts about 10 to 15, or you can use any nut you like. Your Kung Pao chicken is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel